Friends, welcome back to the next problem. So after covering that third question, let's move to the fourth question. So here I have one more function for you, and in this we are gonna use the first order partial derivative, and using that concept we are gonna get the value of n. So this function or this question is basically to find out the value of n from the given condition with the help of first order partial derivative. So let's see. So here we have to find out the value of n so that v equal to r to the power n into 3 cos square theta minus 1 will satisfy the given equation. Now guys, if you see that given equation, then it has the partial derivative term of first order, and since it is said that this v should satisfy this given equation, so if you'll find out the value of each and every term of this given equation, then sum of that will give you 0. And guys, since it satisfies the given equation, by using that we are going to find out the value of n. So here my strategy will be, we'll be finding different terms, we'll put those values over here, we'll equate it with 0 since it is satisfying the given equation, and we will automatically get the value of n. So let's start. So here in the first term we have del v by del r. Now to get the value of del v by del r, we are going to differentiate partially v with respect to r. So here v is a function of r and theta. So if I differentiate with respect to r, I'm going to treat theta as constant. So here I'll say this will give us del v by del r, which is equal to, this will be n into r to the power n minus 1, and this is multiplying, or this term is multiplying. So in this term we have theta and the constant, and theta is also constant, so this whole bracket is constant and it will remain as it is. So here we will get 3 cos square theta minus 1 as it is, and guys, that is the value of del v by del r. Now we'll multiply it with r square. So by doing that we'll get r square del v by del r equal to, so if I multiply this term with r square, then we will add the power since the base is same. So n minus 1 plus 2 will become n plus 1, and guys, we'll get n into r to the power n plus 1 into 3 cos square theta minus 1. Now to this value we are gonna again partially differentiate with respect to r. So here I'll differentiate this with respect to r. So here I'll say it is equal to, by differentiating with respect to r, now here this term does not have any r, so we'll treat it as constant, it will remain as it is, and here we will get n as it is, and n plus 1 r to the power n plus 1 minus 1, that is n. So 3 cos square theta minus 1 as it is, and guys, this is the value of this first term. Now to find out the value of second term, what we'll do is we'll find out the value of del v by del theta. After finding the value of del v by del theta, we'll multiply it with sin theta, and again we'll differentiate and then multiply by 1 upon sin theta. So to get del v by del theta, we'll differentiate v with respect to theta by treating r as constant. So here I'll say partially differentiating the v with respect to theta. So here we'll get del v by del theta equal to, now r to the power n will remain as it is since it's a constant, and here we will get 6 cos theta. So r to the power n as it is, and then 3 as it is. So derivative of this cos square theta is 2/8, so that will become 6 cos theta, and again the derivative of cos theta, which is negative sin theta, and then derivative of this 1 is 0. So this is value of del v by del theta. Now I'll multiply it with sine theta. So we'll get sine theta into del v by del theta equal to negative sign outside r raised to n. 6 is there, cos theta into sine square theta. So we got one more sine term. Now to this term, I'm gonna differentiate partially with respect to theta. So here I'll say del by del theta of sine theta del v by del theta. Now guys, I'm gonna differentiate the right hand side with respect to theta, and here we have r also, so we'll treat it as constant. So negative 6 and r to the power n are constant, those are outside, and we have two terms which are consisting of theta. So guys, here I'm gonna use u into v rule of derivative. So according to it, here we will get sine square theta constant as it is. Now derivative of cos theta is negative sine theta. So I'll put negative sign here and again sine theta. Next, middle sign plus. Now cos theta as it is. And the derivative of sine square theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta. So now here we got the value. Now to this value, we are going to multiply with 1 upon sine theta. So let's multiply both sides with 1 upon sine theta. So let's see what we get. So here I'll say, therefore 1 upon sine theta del by del theta of now guys, if I multiply here with 1 upon sine theta, or if I divide with sine theta, here one sine theta term will be cancelled from both the terms. So here and here. So what we'll get? So we will get negative 6 r to the power n in bracket, from here negative sine square theta, and from here 2 cos square theta. So plus 2 cos square theta. So guys, this is the value of the second term. So we got the value of this second term. Here you can see that value of this term we got here. Now we got this first value as well as second value. We'll call it as equation number 1 and 2, and then we'll add it to get the we'll equate it with 0, and then only we will get the value of unknown n. So let's add it. So for that, I'll call this as equation number 2, and here this is the first value. So I will call this as equation number 1. So we'll add it and equate with 0, because these values if we put there and we equate to 0, then only it will satisfy the given equation. So here I'll say adding this or substituting values of this 1 and 2 in the given term. So we'll get this first value, that is n into n plus 1 r to the power n 3 cos square theta minus 1, plus the second value, that is negative 6 r to the power n 2 cos square theta minus sine square theta equal to 0. So I put both the values in the given equation. Now here I'll simplify this bracket, because if we'll put sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, then we will get 3 cos square theta minus 1 over here. So here guys, I'll say it is n into n plus 1 r to the power n 3 cos square theta minus 1 minus 6 r to the power n. Here sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, and due to the negative sign, 1 will become negative, cos square theta will become positive, that will become 3 cos square theta minus 1 equal to 0. Now from these two terms, I can take 3 cos square theta minus 1 common. I'll send it to the right hand side. It will divide 0 and will get 0. So remaining terms is this and this. Again, I'll take r to the power n common. We'll send it to the right hand side. That will become 0. So from left hand side, we'll get n plus 1 minus 6 equal to 0. And other terms, we have already sent it on the right hand side and those become 0. Now let's solve this. So here we will get n square plus n minus 6 equal to 0. Now this is the quadrant equation. Let's find out the factor of negative 6, that is plus 3 and minus 2. So here we will get n plus 3 as first term and n minus 2 as second term, which is equal to 0. So guys, by solving this we will get n equal to negative 3 or n equal to 2. So here the question was find the value of n. So as per the question, we got the value of n as 2 or n equal to minus 3. So guys, I'm sure that you understood the explanation and you like this video. So if you really like the video, then I want to see your feedback, and for that kindly click on the button, that is like button, and you can give your feedback over there in the comment box, as well as you can share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefited with these videos of Mathematics One, and we can get succeed in promoting this knowledge to the different engineers. So guys, keep watching the videos and get good marks in engineering mathematics. Thank you very much.